solid door.
I don't know what he's doing with that. Woo! Cool.
Everything that's on one of them.
Can you zoom on this? Yes.
Max speeding one, MXR625 OIE inverter generator. Great generator.
Yeah. And then we're gonna empty it out.
Yes.
And then come back and show you, because I gotta help now. We gotta get.
We get copyright for this music.
Get this bad boy out of here. Probably like 4,000 pounds, right?
Yeah, I think about. I think kilograms. Actually.
1 ton.
Might be.
6 tons.
It actually weighs more than the bus. Scientists say it's impossible.
You got to let me know.
Just clear up that back part. Get it completely empty. I guess we'll take this guy up tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's sad, but the stack is going. It's going. Going. It's okay. We'll have something cooler.
Yeah.
In the future. You guys just wait and see. We got big plans. And it cleaned out. We're gonna give it a vacuum tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's probably very echoey.
Echo. Wow, I give nothing to them. I give nothing.
And it's time to close shop for the night, so we'll see you tomorrow. Glue reveal.
Good morning. Morning. Swept clean.
Yeah. It's not. Where's she going? Where's she going? It says you're 1 foot 5 inches.
That is true.
Why does it have units of measurement as time instead? This is a Sharpie? This is a Sharpie. It's good for marking stuff. Sharpie. It's not very sharp, despite its words. Just giving them a little lesson. That's sharp, and that's not even called a Sharpie. It's called a not Sharpie. It's called a Dully. I don't think we needed this whole piece.
Careful. Toes are there.
No, watch your toes, lady.
We haven't been filming, we've been too locked in. Do you want to put on to charge? Well, but we cut all of the foam boards to size, brought them outside, and then now we're cutting the plywood. But that's a perfect cut there. See, scooping it was a good idea.
Yeah.
Cool.
No squeaky. What if that'll go away with the glue?
I'm sure
We'll just have a
that'll go
squeaky
away
floor.
with it. I'm okay with the squeaky floor.
Wowee.
Look at that
Wowee.
craftsmanship. All laid out.
It is out.
Now I just gotta go back in one more time.
One more time, that's it.
Just one more.
One more.
It's dirty again.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Action.
Action.
Subfloor. Got our subfloor. Ready to go. Gotta build it yourself subfloor. Okay. 3 things we needed. We got 3/4 inch tongue and groove, weather resistant plywood. Stuff's good. I guess we'll see how well it stands up the test of time. It's covered in sawdust. We got 2-inch Foamular NGX 250 Loctite PL 3X. That's it. Now we're gonna put it in. Use a big bottle of this stuff per side. And then glue, foam, more glue, wood, wait. And then we wait.
And then wait.
And then we wait. And then, yeah. Guess you guys will see us doing it. I can't even tell if it looks flat or not, but it's what we got, so let's hope it works.
That looks ridiculous.
It does. It's gonna be a sweaty night.
Yep. 3 in the morning.
Is it 3?
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
Right.
Our kingdom. Show off our kingdom and our defenses.
Holy shit. It's ridiculous. 3 in the morning. It's the next day. We got home at 4:30 a.m. last night. We're back. Everything inside. It's looking good. Looking good. We have an overnight bag in case we get snowed in. Because
Showing off
outside
the
it's,
rations and the
it's
provisions.
snowy.
Away to the city lights. Oh, we showing off the poopy down on our hands?
Yeah.
I didn't even use toilet paper. What?
Oops.
Stairs are going in.
Ew.
Stair time.
Stair time.
Stair time. Ah, excuse me, ma'am. Doing some glue. Putting our foam down. Then putting our one on top, and then sinking some screws in to hold it down. Because why not? Let's be extra sturdy. Is this also an inch? Come on, be a magical man. Nope. 72 goes.
I measured that while you were doing something earlier. Look at these clean edges. Now we're making the backs of the stairs, but we don't have enough. we don't have enough wood. I can take one and put it in my left ear so that I can't hear you over there.
You don't want to hear me?
No.
You want to hear me yapping?
But they're only 8 inches, but we need them 9 inches tall for 2 of them.
9 inches tall.
And then
Just like you.
5 apples
About 3
tall.
apples, yeah.
It's like 2 apples.
Oh, those are some big apples. I'd say an apple's like 3 inches.
And then
3 apples tall.
so we're cutting them this tall, and then for now we have all this wood here to make up the extra space. So there's a small gap here because we're gonna get a new piece of wood that's actually the same size as these ones. We just ran out of the ones of the proper length, so we're gonna change that out. But it's pretty good. I also spray painted all of the spots on the bus. That's a bad example. That one's kind of bad.
Hitch.
Yeah.
Hitch. It's a tough one. Big hitch. It's a universal weld on hitch. We got, it's Curt 15903, I think. And we got these guys, they slide on, you put it to wherever, and you weld it to your side piece. So what I'm doing is, I'm cleaning up. There's a subframe there. I don't know if you can even see it. Oh, let me get some light for you. It's a subframe right there. So, cleaning that up. Very, very rusty. And then, gonna weld the piece on there, and the hitch is just gonna sit going across here. What do you think? I think she likes it. Oh, jeez. Hitch is in. Gotta do some painting over all these welds tomorrow. Oh, you can't see anything in there. Hold on. So gotta paint over those welds. Got the plate up there, welded in around there. On the back side. Drilled some holes in the plate as well. Wow, that was crazy. A lot of welding. But now we have a hitch. That is a big step. Okay. The lady's asleep. Getting her hours in. It is currently, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 1:51 a.m.
1:51 a.m. All right, that's a wrap. We're going to bed now. Nighty night.
Good morning. It's Monday morning. We're back. So now, stairs first. Oops. Now we gotta unload all of this. Thousands of pounds. Yippee. Hour later. Wow.
Subfloor.
Looks really good. It's nice and flat.
Paint?
Painting the floor.
Rolling and rotating the floor.
What are you doing?
I'm dropping an air gun. cleaning up the top, taking out the stack. So that guy's going in place of it with a bazillion rivets.
Wow.
So I'm cleaning it up. I got a bunch of bare metal up here because I had to. Here, that's it. I had to take off where the old little piece was. You can see it down there. That thing was sitting up here for the pipe to come through. So I had to grind off all that glue. There was a lot, and I didn't want to spend 4 hours with a knife here. So I'm gonna paint that over. Pieces down there is gonna go over it. It overhangs like 3 inches on either side, so it'll totally clear it. Put a bunch of rivets in, and then we got some butyl tape to go around the edge and nicely seal it. And then we're gonna reseal these guys. Hi there.
Finished product.
Count it up. 76 rivets.
Wow.
Count it out.
Sealed up the stairs. That craftsmanship. She's all packed up and ready to go home. Everyone's back inside. Getting ready to go. I'm really proud of my stairs.
Oh yeah, she'll take that like that. Oh.
Oh, she sounds great.
So quiet now. Holy smokes.
She's ready to go. They plowed amid a mountain where we normally park the bus, so we're like 8 feet up. And we're leaving.
Hey guys! We're leaving. We had to park 12 feet away from the fence because they just piled snow up. Oh, you're gone. But that's okay.
So
we don't care.
see ya.